Hey guys, if you've ever wanted to build a Chrome extension but didn't know where to start, this series is for you. In this first part, we are going to create a very simple extension that displays Hello World when you open a new tab. Along the way, I'll walk you through some core Chrome extension concepts like the manifest.json file and how to load your Chrome extension in Chrome. So let's jump right into it. Before diving into the beautiful stuff like service workers, content scripts, communication, let's start by getting something simple working because I believe in learning by doing. Our goal for today, or in this video, is to create a basic Chrome extension that overrides the new tab and displays a hello world message. Now, if you've ever built a web application, you might be familiar with package.json. In Chrome extensions, we have something similar. It's called manifest.json. This file describes the properties and configuration of the extension. So let's create ours. First, let's create a new folder for our project. Name yours anything you like. I'll call mine my extension. Inside that folder, create a new file called manifest.json, where we'll define 4 basic properties of our Chrome extension. The first field is the manifest version. This field is required. You should always use the latest version, which is 3 at the time of making this recording. Next is the name of our extension. This is the name shown in the Chrome extensions page and the Chrome Web Store. Then the version of our extension. It follows semantic versioning: major, minor, patch. I will use 0.1.0 for this project. If you want to learn more about semantic versioning, I've included a link below. Finally, let's provide an optional description for our extension. And that's it. You have the bare minimum for a valid Chrome extension. Now, let's load this into Chrome. On Chrome, you want to go to the extensions section. So you click on the extensions icon, then click on manage extensions. You want to ensure the developer mode is turned on, and then you load unpacked. Here I'm just going to select my project, and you can select yours also. And now our extension is loaded. You can see it's a new tab extension, it's the version that we gave it, and also has the description. But when we open a new tab, it does nothing. So let's fix that. In your manifest.json file, you want to add the following: Chrome URL overrides, and let's just provide a new tab.html file. So here we're going to create a new file called new tab.html, and this is just going to print the hello world. So let's just do h1 and say hello world. So head over to your Chrome extension and you want to reload this. So after you reload, you open a new tab. Here you can see the hello world message. In the next video, we'll dive into the real engine of Chrome extensions, service workers, and content scripts. So don't stop here. Let's go from hello world to something truly powerful. See you in part 2. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you don't miss the next part. Thanks for watching.